Most car problems don't just happen instantly. Your car warns you with sounds fast. The problem is many drivers ignore them until the repair becomes expensive. Here are some 5 sounds you should never ignore. Number 1 is engine knocking. If you hear a knocking or tapping sound from the engine, especially when accelerating, that's a serious warning. It could mean your engine oil is low or dirty, or worse, internal parts like pistons are wearing out. The longer you drive like this, the more damage you cause, and you could end up needing a full engine rebuild. In fact, this is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine. Number 2 is squealing when braking. That high-pitched squealing sound when braking is usually your brake pads wearing out. Brake pads are designed to make that noise as a warning. Ignore it, and the metal underneath starts grinding against your brake disc, making repairs much more expensive. Changing brake pads is cheap, replacing discs is not. Number 3 is hissing sound under the hood. A hissing sound often means something is leaking, usually coolant or vacuum pressure. If it's coolant, your engine can overheat very fast, especially in traffic. Overheating can lead to a blown head gasket, which is one of the most expensive repairs. Number 4 is grinding noise. Grinding when braking usually means your brake pads are completely worn out. If you hear grinding when shifting gears, especially in manual cars, it could mean transmission damage or clutch issues. At this point, the damage has already started. Number 5 is clicking when turning. A clicking sound when turning is often caused by a worn out CV joint. This is part of the system that transfers power to your wheels. If it fails completely, your car won't move, even if the engine is running. You could literally get stranded anywhere. If you have ever heard any of these sounds, comment yes down in the comment section below. I want to see how many people are driving with problems right now.